Hey guys! So I also posted something on Snapchat and Instagram earlier when I was sitting outside and just like enjoying Earth, enjoying Mother Nature. And I actually want to post that right here because I just kind of want you guys to hear, like, just hear my words. Right now I'm just sitting outside and it's like, I see the birds walking. I hear the birds chirping. I hear neighbors communicating. I hear kids laughing. I feel the breeze. I look at the trees, I see the green grass, and I'm just like, I don't want to die. Like, I literally don't want to die. And this is why I stick to my guns every single day. I count my calories, I don't binge, I drink my water, I do IF, and it's because I don't want to stop hearing the birds. I don't want to stop feeling the breeze. I don't want to stop seeing the clouds, you know? It's just little things like that, like, I don't want to take for granted ever again. Ever again. 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 My feet are swollen.